want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Monday morning. We're here at 7 o'clock. We got a call Saturday. One of the customers that we do a bunch of work for, they flip a bunch of houses and stuff. He called me and said they had some pictures for a house they're selling and they needed the driveway redone. And so last minute, boom, it's a quick way to make a couple grand real fast, and we're gonna resurface the driveway with some crushed asphalt. Yeah, let's get to this project. Easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy.
want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.